Messy, happily, and family. Fun gardening. New gardener in town. Legend.
You can't see very well.
Oh, Angel. Legend's going after Angel. My first puppy. Hi, first puppy. Say hi. Hi. Hi, everyone. Welcome to my garden. I am so excited. You see my yellow front door. Baby, I'm going to get some paint today. We're doing a pop of color on the front door. It's going to be
What?
yellow.
Oh, hell no.
A yellow,
Canary yellow, baby.
a yellow pop of color front
Baby,
door.
no.
Yes,
The
Mississippi.
house look horrible.
That's in Mississippi. They make the house look
Even
horrible.
on gray houses, they make the house look horrible.
Baby, that pop of color is going to be beautiful. Just trust me. It'll go with the ducks. It'll go with the red. It'll be perfect. Front door complete. Not bad for pop of color. And no matter how horrible your porch look, if your door looks good, your house looks good. I am so excited this garden tour. Today is September 31st and I had to film. I'm walking you all. I had to film this garden. I won't go through specifically. I'm just going to let you all know the areas that I changed within the last 3 days. That Lord's Pelham wasn't there, but now it fills up that empty space so well. That golden mop was not there. I just added it yesterday. And it was raining, so I did not film you all a lot of this, but I would like to let you all know that transplanting plants are not easy when you have roots from oak trees. So I really salute everyone out there that's happy like me and love to get out here in my garden to create my happy space, my oasis. You all see the Kobe's garden, Mamba Forever. I have that half painted. Because the kiddos, you all know when I babysit the kiddos, I need them to give them projects. But right now I'm liking the unfinished archway there. I did put some steps in which I will be adding some ajuga in between. I cannot wait for these. Oh, I'm in your shadow. I cannot wait for these to get large, you all, so the purple can stand out. Last night I did have some purple hearts out here. The purple hearts were blooming, but this morning they're gone. I guess I should have filmed in the rain. All of this area is newly designed. These Lord's Pelhams will get very large. I transferred another one back there. Annabelle is now in the hydrangea is now in the ground. which it had no leaves when I bought it, but now it does. I do have some verbena that's around that fountain, which I look forward to it filling in. My Callias is doing wonderful. But yeah, I put the potato vines around the center of the fountain. You all, I'm excited about that area. Now let's move on to the next one. Of course, that Japanese maple have to still go in the ground. I'm a little sad because I'm going to lose the height. Imagine that going all the way in the ground. That means that tree is going to be lowered. But I have my azaleas around that Japanese maple. My boxwood hedge. You all, with that Julia in the center, if you watched the video. This is my Japanese garden. So I have 2 Japanese maples over there. 1, 2, 3. Another one back there. 4, 5 Japanese maples. These are my new additions in this space. You all see the S for SC. But I am going, this baby gets 20 feet tall. I am going to train this blue cedar with blue atlas cedar. It won't stay there for long, just a few seasons because it's a slow grower. And this here is a Feeling Sunny Deodar cedar. But you all love the colors of those for right now. With those nandinas that's turning colors. It's just beautiful. Look at this. Woo, look at that. That's gorgeous. Okay, moving on. I love in my yellow front door. You all, I've planted several little things. Like, for instance, this is going in the backyard. Pink is not the theme up here, but for now I just threw kind of everything in this bed until next season when I can figure out what I want to really do. Here's another maple. Tanukiana. I have some catmint in the borders. They're getting some sunlight right now. But you all, look at all of my spiral junipers. Watch my best friend and I making this container. You all, I am videos behind. I have a lot of content coming your way. This bed will not be like this next year. I'm going to put some tulips in the ground, but temporarily, that's what I have there. I did add the Kobe's garden. Oh, did I forget? You all will see also me adding some monkey grass coming up. This Japanese maple I planted because I removed it from the Kobe's garden over there. But now I love the weeping next to the rose. So imagine it's getting really deep purple red. Okay, excuse Marcus, he's weed eating. He tends to come out here when I get started. I did not film this fall container, but you all, sometimes I get out here and just have a ton of fun and don't grab the camera. Oh my gosh. I'm almost finishing. I know it's getting loud. I moved all of my hydrangeas back here. So I think I'm going to just plant them on this hill. Still deciding. I love the vibrance of the red. Woo, thank you, Marcus, for... And let me just show you all this area. I just love how everything just looks better now. Everything looks much, much better. So I just wanted to give you all a short tour of my garden. for September 34th. All of my excitement. Oh, I can show you all the front mailbox. Let's go. Let's go. Give you an update. Excuse the truck. Oh, let's take a look at what it looks like from the mailbox side. Oh, I love those. They need full sun. They would be in Kobe's garden if I... My purple mums are giving me color. Oh, beautiful. I just threw those up here when I took those super petunias out. But nothing else major is going on in this garden bed. Some of my agastches didn't make it. I could have bought more, but this is my test plants out season. Find out what I like and what I don't like. These honeysuckles look like they're about to get ready to bloom. That butterfly bush has bloomed for me, but I'm looking forward to next season. Get more height, more blooms. But Marcus did great on the grass. See his lines. Thank you, Marcus, for cutting the grass.
No worries. It was in need of it.
He said it was in need of it. Legend went and got the paint glove. You're about to paint? He tried to help mommy out. I like my little steps going around to that walkway. But I had to put walking paths. When you have kids and family members that aren't gardeners, you want me to help you? You say, yeah. Let me help you, Legend. Put your hand in there. No more? You got grass all on your face from following your daddy. What are you doing with the handsaw, Legend? Legend, that's a big boy tool. Good job. Painting time. As you all see, the door is clean. Around the door is not. Reality of kids. Yellow. Let's do it. I like that yellow front door. I may go back to my gray front porch. When I bought this house, I had red shutters. Like that. I had red shutters, which you can still see the outline of the red along the side. Red, and it was a gray front porch. Oh, child. Or was it a blue front porch? I don't know what color it was, but honey, I gotta figure this thing out again. All right. Bye-bye, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this quick garden tour. Stay tuned for more.